Next question for 1 mark. The question is, write the number of all possible matrices of order 2 by 2 with each entry as 1, 2 or 3. Okay. So, a simple question for 1 mark. Now, the order of a matrix is 2 by 2. Therefore, 4 possible entries are there. Now, each entry has 3 choices. Each entry has 3 choices as we are given with 3 numbers 1, 2 or 3. So, what are the 3 choices? It can be 1, it can be 2 or it can be 3. Now, the number of ways the formation of matrices are. Number of ways are, as we have 4 choices, 4 possible entries. Okay. So, we are having 3 raised to power 4 and this is 81. So, this is the answer. These number of matrices can be formed.